Alright. So, this never turns out in my favor when I record, but I actually have faith this time I'm gonna get something good. So, we'll see what happens. That method doesn't always work for me, but we'll see what happens today. I really 100% honestly do not care about Hitmonkey. Really don't. Do see a ghost in there though, that would be nice. Awakening. Knew it. The little sandwich. The little ice cream sandwich. That's fine. Can't expect all the 6 stars, right? Let me see. I wouldn't mind a Wasp though. Wasp. I see Doctor Strange. Okay. Squirrel Girl. Really close to getting a 6-star on the last spin. You just never know. Oh, I would love Long Shot. Him and Nick Fury are literally the only champs I don't have. I got almost everybody else. Well, I don't really want Sorcerer Supreme that bad, which was a good champion that just came out, but not really something I want to go out of my way for. That Doctor Strange creeping. Okay, we're gonna back out. There's not too many of the good 6 stars that I want in here. Let's see the real man. Hulkbuster, Mr. Fantastic, Diablo. Still not that good of a room. Well, I see Nick Fury. Ooh, like that's gonna happen. Quick tap. Oh, I got Nick Fury. Yeah. I just duped Namor before that too. Okay, I win. Game over. Team Pop for the win. I already got a dupe Namor 6-star, but yeah, I mean Long Shot would be nice, but I don't need Long Shot. Game over, guys. Alright, let me go ahead and show you my roster now. I am so stoked with that. Okay, so here's my 5 stars. Tell me, really, who do I need? I mean, I just got Nick Fury. Tell me who I need. Like, I don't need anybody. And this guy's going up to rank 4, starting probably tomorrow. And Nick Fury's right behind him. The reason I don't want to do Namor is because you'll see why. Look, Sunspot. Then we got, look, who do we got? Void. And there's my boy. I've been fucking waiting forever. I am going for the Awakening Gem from the event, the MODOK event. If I get a Science or a Skill, it's going to either of these two. If I get a Cosmic, it's going for Captain Marvel. So, yeah, and here's my 6-star roster. Well, tell me what you guys think. We got some pretty heavy hitters here if you want to see. Managed to awaken some of them. Yeah, you know what? This was a really great pull. I don't care if I didn't get a 6-star. I got Nick Fury. So, thank you guys.